I had a great day with the customer the other day. Absolutely nothing unusual happened. No alarms, no unplanned stops, and no emergency phone calls. We were there to help them optimize their motors and drives to deliver maximum efficiency. We could do that because we had done the hard work to catch any potential disruptions before they ever had a chance to become a problem. That kind of peace doesn't come easy. It comes from having a maintenance strategy and a maintenance partner that understands the way your business runs. But we know the real world is unpredictable. That's why we also offer the customer remote technical support, high quality repairs, and experts ready to go if you do ever need us. At ABB, we don't just fix what fails, we want to protect what works.
ABB, operations and maintenance you can count on.